This is how to change language in NotebookLM. From your NotebookLM dashboard, go to Settings and choose Output Language. And choose your language from this drop-down menu. And let's say, Netherlands, and click Save. Take note that your previously created notebooks language are not affected. And if you want to write a prompt in an existing notebook, for instance, let's open this one and we will write a prompt. For instance, summarize like I'm a 5th grader. Then we will generate reports. Okay, let's choose briefing doc. And when you click the report, this is now translated in Netherlands. So this is how to change language in NotebookLM.